Hello everyone, this is a kit stash update. I got a shipment in, so I want to share it with everyone. First up, I never built a Chevrolet Corvair, the rear engine, unsafe at any speed, but I picked this one up. I have built a Prestige series, a 1963 Prestige Chevy Impala, and I remember it being a very basic kit. Like, it didn't come with a firewall, no radiator, and there was no battery. So I'm expecting this one is probably like just a basic kit, probably doesn't have that many details, but at least the body and the shell for the most part should be there, so it should be pretty good. So I picked up a Corvair. It was the Prestige series. Here it is. Box is a little crushed over here, but it still is factory sealed. The crush doesn't look too bad, so the contents should still be good. So this should be fairly simple because I'm expecting Prestige series kits to be on the simple side, but it's heavy. Next up is a Johan kit. I actually have never built a Johan kit ever. And I know there's a loyal following of people who like these kits. I just remember them to be more rectangular than flat like this. But anyway, the Chrysler Turbine car. So I'll just have to find that rustic orange that a lot of them came in. So I'm looking forward to building this because I never built a Johan kit. And looks like it's pretty cool. Opening doors, steerable wheels, fold down seats. Wow, that's some detail. Okay, so it is factory sealed. Opening hood, opening trunk. Wow. This looks cool. Okay, so this will be my first Johan kit. I remember seeing these on the shelves when I was much younger, going to the hobby shop, but for some reason I always brushed by them and went for the more popular Monogram and Revell. So those are hard to come by. Then I also found a Red Baron because I never built a Red Baron, and this one comes with the Fokker triplane, so that should be pretty cool. I do have some chrome spray paint, so I will try to paint the helmet if it's not chrome plated already. Looks cool. Still factory sealed. This should be pretty good. Should go well with my police paddy wagon that I had bought. And my last purchase is the 1960 Chevy Impala Hardtop, also still factory sealed. This I expect to be a very high quality model because I've actually built the 59 by Revell monogram, and that one I remember it actually even came with the chrome plated chrome trim instead of the mold just being on the side of plastic, and you would have to highlight it with either a Sharpie metallic pen or a Molotow pen. So I remember it came with the chrome plated trim and even the quarter window frames and everything. So this should be fairly highly detailed, so I'm looking forward to this one. Of course, I probably will not be painting it black, but maybe blue. The 59 of course has the cat eye taillights that a lot of people either love or hate. To me it doesn't matter. I think it was a unique looking car. Okay, so that's 4 more additions to my collection. So you should be seeing these full build and review pretty soon. Thanks. Oh, almost forgot. I also picked up another set of General Lee decals because I actually have a earlier General Lee kit that I may have to redo the paint job because the paint job was not that great. I did paint it orange, but the paint kind of ran and I sprayed it rather thick. It was my first General Lee out of the 4 that I have built. So I need another set of decals if I need to remove the paint. The earlier release actually has the incorrect rear window. It's flush, more like a Daytona edition of the Charger, and not the one with the notch in it. So that's it for now.